to fix Telegram not sending verification code. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to solve your issue of your Telegram not sending any verification code. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to fix the issue of Telegram not sending verification code while you're trying to log in, there are certain methods you can follow. One of them is open up your settings. But before that, make sure you have a good internet connection. If you don't have it, you may just switch up to a good and greater speed internet connection and try logging into your account and see if that fixes your issue. So the next thing is we may simply go to apps, and here you may just simply search for Telegram. After searching for Telegram, simply tap on it, and here go under storage. Then you'll be able to find clear cache option. Just simply tap on clear cache, and you may also simply delete the cleared, simply select manage storage and clear the data as well if that method doesn't work. So after doing that, you may just uninstall the app and reinstall the application onto your device. Even if that doesn't fix your issue, you may just simply go to your Play Store and try updating your app. Just go to Play Store, go to the search bar and search for Telegram. If any kind of update is available, you may just simply update the app. And another thing is, if you're connected to any kind of VPN, make sure to disconnect from it and try logging into your account. And the very last thing is, make sure that Telegram is not banned in your country, because one of the reasons may be because Telegram is banned in your country. So make sure you have an unbanned Telegram on your reason. So therefore, by following those steps, you may fix your Telegram not being able to send verification code. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.